Hello children, welcome to your English class again. Let's do something interesting. This is a tray. We can also use a plate. Now, let us fill this tray with some flour. Now we will shake, shake, shake and tap, tap. Now children, I will draw some letters and you have to identify. Which letter is this? This is letter A. Do you remember the phonic sound of the letter A? Yes, A says A. Now we will again shake, shake, shake and tap, tap. A standing line and a curve. Children, which letter is this? This is letter B. Do you remember the phonic sound of the letter B? Oh yes. B says B. B. Now again, shake, shake, shake. Tap, tap. Do you know how to make a circle, children? Yes, round, round circle. See, this is how we make a circle. Similarly, do you know, children? We can make letter C. Again, shake, shake, shake. Tap. Like a circle, we will start to make a curve and then we'll stop. This is letter C. Isn't it easy to make? Oh yes. The phonic sound of the letter C is K.
Let's see the picture starting with the letter C. K, cow. K, caterpillar. K, car. K, cap. K, cot. K, cow. It's a fun time. Take your pencil and trace the capital letter C. Starting from here, then make a curved line like this till here. And now we will trace and make small letter C like this. Starting from here, make a curved line like this till here and say the sound of letter C. K, K. Say the sound of letter C. Lead the cat to the cup. This is a cat and this is a cup. Let me show you how to trace the line. Starting from here, trace the line like this, then move like this. Yes, and finally we reached to the cup. Okay children, now draw the missing part of the cat. Color them in your favorite color. What is this? This is a cat. Now fill the missing part of the cat like this. Okay, in the next picture, what is missing here? The tail of the cat. Very good. In this third picture, it is complete picture. Now next picture, the legs are missing. So you have to draw it like this. Very good. In the next picture, eyes are missing. Very good. After drawing, you have to color the cats. Name the pictures. Color the box that begins with the sound K as in cat. Dear parents, ask your child to identify the pictures and color the box that begins with the sound of K.
Open your English workbook, page number 8. Now children, we will read aloud the pictures given over here. K, cup. K, cat. K, car. K, cap. Now children, we will trace and write. First red line, first blue line, second blue line and second red line. Keep your pencil on the first blue line, trace the curve like this. Hold the pencil properly, trace the letter C like this. You have to complete the page till here. Now let us go on to the next page. Here we have dots. Keep your pencil on the dot. Start from the first blue line, make a curve up to the second blue line like this. Make it nicely like this. Complete it till here. Now we will do this exercise. Look at each picture and write the first letter of its name. Children, this is a ball. B, ball. B is the sound of which letter? B. So we will write B here, standing line and a curve like this. This is a can. K, can. K is the sound of which letter? C. So here we will write C like this. This is a bed. B, bed. Again children, B is the sound of which letter? B. Yes, so we will write B here. While writing, hold the pencil properly. Complete both the pages. Take a picture or a video and share it with us. Happy learning. Thank you.